Say no to Chinglish. 3. Here's a game for you both. These are the places you'll go. Jot down the Chinglish you see and hear there. Come back in 2 hours and we'll see who gets the most examples.
Wow, that could be fun.
Yes! And this one, no pay. It's Chinglish.
Here on Saturday, people mountain, people sea.
Sorry, I don't understand. What is people mountain, people sea?
Hey, Susan has done a great job. She found a lot of Chinglish there.
Hey, it's Tommy. He has found some Chinglish on his way. Do you want to know?
Excuse me, are you Betty? Betty Foster?
Hey, Gilbert? You're Gilbert. What a surprise!
Long time no see.
Yes, it has been a long time.
Wow. Long time no see sounds familiar. Is that Chinglish?
How are you, Gilbert?
Me? How old am I? I'm 36 now.
Come on, I'm not asking about your age. I said, how are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm fine. Just fine. Horse, horse, tiger, tiger.
What? Horses and tigers.
This Chinglish is really funny.
Horse, horse, tiger, tiger is a phrase meaning so-so or fine in Chinese. But it's a direct translation of Chinese into English word for word. It's Chinglish. Many native English speakers may find it hard to understand. Hey, same for long time no see. In English, we say, it's been a long time.
Long time no see.
Wow, yes, it has been a long time.
We can also say, it's been a while since we last met, when we meet someone whom we haven't seen in a very long time. I wonder why a Westerner like Gilbert likes using Chinglish. Hey, it's Tommy's message.
Why are you speaking Chinglish, Gilbert?
I think it's fun, Betty. Here, watch this. This is my wife, Su Ying, and her friends. They're teaching me Chinglish. Long time no see.
Yes, come on.
Long time no see.
Hello, long time no see.
Horse, horse, tiger, tiger.
Yes, come on.
Horse, horse, tiger, tiger. They like it when I speak Chinglish.
That sounds fun. But I like your old self, Gilbert. Speaking clear and simple English that I can understand.
Oh.
Don't we need to use good and correct English in writing too, Gilbert?
Yeah, you're right. Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry, Betty. I must go now. Later, drink tea.
Chinese tea or English tea? I don't understand Chinglish, Gilbert.
Oops. I'm sorry. My wife called me. It's time to open rice.
Open rice. How funny. It's Chinglish that's only Chinese understand.
Oh, Gilbert. What is open rice?
Open rice? You see, it means mealtime when a family comes together. It's really important in Chinese society. Hey, you should come on over.
I would love to, but I have other plans tonight. Anyway, it was good to see you.
Well, it was good to see you as well. Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Later, drink tea.
Wow, Tommy heard some interesting Chinglish. Later drink tea is just one of many examples. It is often used when a Chinese wants to end a conversation. But in English, we usually say,
I have to go. It's time for me to go. I'm sorry. I must go now, but nice to see you. I'm sorry, Betty. I must go now. Take care.
So, learning a language of a country also means learning about its culture. Open rice is another example. In Chinese, that means time for people to dig in. But in Western society, we don't open rice.
Dinner time! Come and help me set the table, please.
You can also say, it's lunchtime, or breakfast is ready. Got it?
Hi, Mr. Jones.
Welcome back.
Who won?
Yeah.
You both did a great job.
Yes.
I found a menu of some funny Chinglish. Look.
Mr. Jones. Look here. I found some interesting Chinglish on these signs. Look.
Pay no attention to him. Look, can you see the mistakes?
Don't look at her. Look at me. Look at this.
Don't look at him. Look at
Relax. Let's do this. Try to correct the Chinglish using clear and simple English. The one who gets the most correct answers wins.
Sounds fair.
Let's begin.
Yeah. Hey, that's a direct translation of its Chinese name. We can't eat a lion's head, can we? There isn't any lion's head in it. These are meatballs.
You're right, Tommy. How about the words red burn?
I have no idea.
A better word is braise. The meatballs are cooked in a covered pot after frying quickly.
Oh, so the dish name should be braised meatballs.
Remember, correct word choice keeps you away from Chinglish.
What's this? Bacteria in chicken soup. Oh, who would want bacteria in the soup? Look, there are mushrooms in the soup. I understand now. The Chinese word can mean mushrooms or bacteria.
Someone should be careful in choosing words.
It should be mushrooms, not bacteria, in the soup.
Get someone to check things over.
Say no to Chinglish.
Now, let's see how Susan goes.
What? Is this a joke? To fall down? Carefully? Don't translate the Chinese into English word by word. To remind people of the slippery or wet floor, I would say, watch out for the wet floor, or walk carefully, slippery floor. Do drunk driving. Are you telling people to do crazy things? No way! No drunk driving. This is correct. Correct spelling is so important in writing good English. Visitor stop. Chinglish, Chinglish. I would say no entrance or do not enter. Say no to Chinglish.
Hey, well done.
Who is?
I think you both are winners.
Yeah!
Let me treat you to lunch in a restaurant. Would you like to try the braised meatballs?
Oh, great!
Say no to Chinglish. Goodbye.